Welcome to the Scrum and Code channel. My name is Fuji Wing, software engineer. In this video, I will go over the custom code to support Angular data tables. First, let me give a quick overview of the media library and the CQRS pattern employed in the project. The mediator library is used to decouple the request and the handlers. In the clean architecture, the controllers are reside in the Web API project, while the handlers are in the application project. This results in a thin controller while leaving the handlers to deal with command and query. Let's take a look at the position controller in the application project in the Visual Studio. Line 73, I add a new REST endpoint called page. Line 75, the mediator sends the query to the handler. Let's take a look at the handler page position query in the application project. Notice that all the handlers are organized in the features folder. For example, for positions, the commands folder of storing create, delete, and updates handlers, while the queries folders are for select data. Let's run the project. I'm going to cut and paste assemble input JSON into the new REST endpoint page. Try it out. And click on execute. I turn on the breakpoint in the Visual Studio so you can see it first stops at the controller. Let's inspect the input query variable here. You can see the input parameters are in the format of the Angular data tables. It has the variable draw, length, order, search, etc. Let's hit F5 to continue. Now it stops at the handler to process the input parameters. I'm going to do F10 to step through the code. It processes the draw and map it to the page number, length, order, sorting order, and if there any short term, it will map to the filter in the project. Let's hit F5 so we can see the data, the return data in Swagger. It's returned 10 rows. This concludes part 3 screencast.